Alright, y'all, outside Kids Big Car Track. It's a Sunday fun day. This is how we're gonna be trying to do it until the rain weather comes. Out on the R3, Jalen's out first session, warming the equipment up. And there's a lot of guys out here, as you can see. A lot of these little tiny GP bikes. On the backside, there's a ton more supermotos. But today, just working on jumping back in the mix, making sure that the comfort level is still there. And then possibly later in the day, we'll work on going a little bit faster. Track still feels cool.
I think I'm more just like anxious right now.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Be easy. None of that matters. This is a track day. It ain't a race. As we get some temperature back in the tire, we got to check tire pressure. And then as the temperature of the environment comes up, it'll be a lot more consistent and a lot faster, obviously. All right, wait until they call, but
I'm gonna go wait in the yeah.
Good. It's loose, okay. Alright. Yes, as the track is small and the session starts, you can always run out to one of the flag stations. This is the corner that you can't see, and you can see his lean angle down dragging knee already. Man, this kid's got some courage. See how he overtakes these two. Yeah, good, because he went on the inside of dude the last time, and dude had a freaking conniption because he went off the track. Oh, that nigga went out the dirt. Why is the guy tripping out so much? But he's trying to push. He went off the track the last time. Dude's just on one. And if you could hear, he dragged his foot right here and put him up high. Alright, it sounds like this session's about over with. Nice little scuff. But a ton of these Ovale. And then this kid over here, apparently they're actually local to me. He rides in the North American Talent Cup. They're training on these KX65. Hella fast, huh? He's moving. The main impressive thing is his body position and how quickly he's cracking open throttle. I know myself personally, I probably pushed this thing a lot harder than I should have my first session out, but I trust it now. I like the track. It's a good day to be out here and mash. not that hot. It's actually pretty cool. So a good day. They're running 2 different groups, slow and fast. For my mindset out here, I want as much open track in front of me so I can repetitively run the line as fast as I possibly can. And when we come up to some people, we pass some people, we just get the pass done. Don't sit, loiter behind them, just knock it out. Jalen's been doing that as well. He's just been coming up to people, getting the pass done. Some areas a little sketchier than others, but you know, the passes are getting done, not spending enough time sitting behind them to make it be a danger or a threat to the 2 of them. So we'll go out another session and we'll have some fun. It's not that hot. We got a good breeze, so I think we could probably stay for a little longer this time. But again, we have it 8, so.
After this session,
Okay.
we'll make the body position.
You don't have to. It's not a race. You don't have to. Just shadow box. More body position than anything. That's really all you got to do. You know, just getting used to it. session that we're gonna call quits on. They're still going, of course, but you know, we've gotten our fill out of it. It's about 1:53. We'll be loaded up out of here by about 2:15, 2:20. So good session, good day, good learning. Things that we want to work on, we're learning. You know, I'm self-taught and kind of giving Jalen a little bit better, more detailed instruction than I learned with. I've been sending him videos and stuff, body position and everything. We're really going to force the issue. It's not really about fast, but it's just about the body position, getting a better body position, because it's overall, at the end of the day, it's control of the bike and control of the corner, essentially. Adding that body position, adding those shoulders in, it's gonna help him be a lot swifter, in more control going around those corners. So I had a really good time. The bike held up really good. Last session, I kind of got stuck in second gear, and instead of heating the bike up, putting her on heateries, I just brought her on in. I got everything I need to get out of the day. A real good time, real fun time. Again, Kinsman Kart Track, the kart club here. They're like really chill. Now they know us. We pop in, they know the bike. So it's a good vibe. We're gonna get quicker. There's fucking fast dudes here today. That dude mega fast, this dude mega fast, and that's a kid actually. He's 14. We were talking to him. He started riding during the pandemic, and now he's part of the Moto America North American Talent Cup. He rides a Aprilia 250. He's just out here practicing, beasting on shit. I wanted to wait and see what's up with this R3, but these dudes are taking forever to even get the bike fired up. I don't know. Probably won't get to see him before we mob out, but we didn't see him when we wanted to see. So look at that. It's getting windy. Yeah. So we're gonna break down the pits and we're gonna head to the crib. So we out. As we exit the track at 88 degrees, it's way cooler than the last time we were here. But very good time to be on the bike when it's hot or when it's cool. The cooler of the sessions is always going to be the best because you're the most comfortable, and when you're the most comfortable, you're going to stay out on the track longer, and you're going to push yourself a lot harder longer. So again, as we're kind of running through these things, it's not race days, it's track days. So when you push yourself, it's only to push yourself to see how long you can hang at a certain pace and shit like that. So Jalen gets to find a pace, I get to find a pace, we get to work on body position at that pace, see what's uncomfortable, see what's fatiguing, see what wears us out. We working on saving ourselves from slamming into the hospital and shit like that. There was a group of people that came out here, rented some of those Ovalis. I think they were 110s or whatever, but either way, those little trainer bikes was just kind of all over the place. So I know that made you a little iffy with riding. They were falling all over the place, so it kind of was like, yeah. But it was a good time. Trainer bike is doing awesome things. These tires can still last, I think, till the end of the season. We'll see if we can keep it pushing. But good times. We're learning a lot, right? You feeling more comfortable on the machine, right?
Yes, sir.
All right, and that's all we're really looking for. This is what this bike is providing us. Maybe big track day pretty soon.
Possibly.
Yeah.
If it cools down, it's too hot.
Oh, it's gonna be real hot this weekend. You down to ride this weekend?
Cruise, but I'm riding.
Not riding. Yeah, it's gonna be really hot, like 111. So I don't know. We might go to Stockton because I got something that's right here behind me that we got to deal with. Y'all see that on the next vlog. But we'll see what happens. This is prime condition. This is a unit. I really do like it, as well as I like the rest of these. So it's hot as hell. I can only stand under the AC and it provides so much. But we're going to go inside. That's the end of this vlog.
I'm chilling. And I'm sweaty. Like the camera. Yeah, we'll catch y'all in the next vlog. And for that, I don't even know what to say. I'm like, I don't know. Yeah, we give you 2, and yeah.